Hello everyone. Today we will explore the fascinating truth about bees. Social living habits. Bees are social creatures that live in colonies, categorized into three types. 1. Queen bees, responsible for reproduction within the colony. They also produce chemical substances that guide the behavior of other bees. 2. Male bees, responsible for mating with queen bees to maintain the genetic line. They live in the hive during spring and summer and die shortly after mating. The average lifespan of a male bee is around 55 days. 3. Worker bees, female bees hatched from fertilized eggs of the queen. They are tasked with foraging for food, including pollen and nectar, cleaning, and ventilating the hive by fanning their wings. Worker bees are the only ones that fly outside the hive. Critical pollinators. Approximately 90% of wild plant species and 75% of global crop varieties rely on bee pollination. 1/3 of human food production is entirely dependent on this process. Male bees exist solely for mating. Male bees, known as drones, exist solely for the purpose of mating with queen bees to maintain the colony's genetic diversity. While they don't engage in the hard work like worker bees, they have their own cost. Only the strongest drones have the privilege of mating with the queen bee and die immediately after fulfilling their duty. This sacrificial act involves the detachment and transfer of their reproductive organs to the queen bee to ensure successful fertilization. Unselected drones are expelled and must wander until accepted into another hive. Additionally, if there's a shortage of food during winter, male bees are pushed out of the hive, left to die of starvation. Queen bee replacement. If a queen bee dies, beekeepers can create a new queen by selecting a young larva and nurturing it into a new queen bee. For wings, bees have 4 wings, 2 large upper wings and 2 smaller lower wings, aiding them in flight and communication with other hive members. Fast flying speed. Worker bees can fly at speeds of approximately 21 to 28 kilometers per hour when foraging and 17 kilometers per hour when carrying a full load of honey, pollen, or bee glue. Extraordinary memory. Despite their small size, bees have remarkable brains. They can navigate long distances and still find their way back to the hive. Scientists have also discovered that bees possess basic mathematical skills. Sensitive sense of smell. Honeybees have up to 170 odor receptors in their antennae, using their sense of smell to locate food and communicate with other members. High extinction risk. Bee populations are decreasing by an average of more than 30%, facing a significant risk of extinction due to climate change, pesticides, diseases, and parasites. Thank you for watching, goodbye, and see you next time.